Today, I am very happy to announce that the Indian National Congress and Goa Forward Party have entered into an alliance for the forthcoming Goa Assembly elections. After Sri Vijay Sardesai met our leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji in Delhi and expressed his support to the Congress party and to Sri Rahul Gandhi, and said that he wants to work with us to defeat the communal corrupt Bharatiya Janata Party government in Goa and to bring about a change in Goa. And Sri Rahul Gandhi ji spoke to Sri Vijay Sardesai and welcomed his support. In that meeting, Digambar Kamath ji and myself and Sri Chidambaram ji were there. And subsequently, after coming back to Goa, there were more interactions between us, the state leadership, our PCC president and other leaders. And we have ironed out whatever small issues that were there. And we are looking for a new beginning. Whatever has happened in the past has happened in the past. In politics, always there is scope for friendships and alliances, and it should be based on mutual trust and confidence in each other. So that in our discussions we have had with Goa Forward, we have established that. And today, after having all these discussions, I am very happy to say that we have been able to coordinate many issues, sort out many issues, what should be in our manifesto, what should be in our program, how we should campaign. Many of those discussions have also been discussed today also. So we will be going to the elections together, and I expect that this alliance, along with many other people also who are going to be joining the Congress. There are many people also very much interested in joining the Congress. We will be taking them also along in the future. But I am sure that in this election, the people have decided to reject the BJP, and if they want a stable formulation in the state, if they want a government which works for the people, which can deliver Goa justice, which can deliver Goa development, and bring about good governance in Goa.
There is a need to start a new liberation movement, to re-liberate Goa from this corrupt, communal, bhrashtachari, balatkari Bharatiya Janata Party. Now for that, there is a need for all like-minded people to team up. This has always been my view. I have been talking about Team Goa. I think this is that Team Goa. And we will re-liberate Goa, give Goans justice, and I am sure that what began at the residence of Mr. Rahul Gandhi has now culminated here on a very auspicious day, on a day as Datta Jayanti. So it's a very good, auspicious day. On this day, we are going to usher in change. We will see to it that people who are jumping the fence, the entire public of Goa is against this government. But elected representatives are surprisingly joining this unpopular party. Now why is this? This is only happening because of the dadagiri of the center. That there is a government at the center which can just take you at gunpoint, which does acquisitions, which does takeovers. Now we will defeat these forces. We want to show the people of Goa that Goans are smart, Goans are socio-politically conscious, and Goans will find a way to this type of politics, which is poisoning democracy. This is only for the sake of, this is holding the entire democracy hostage to one political party. And we will defeat this dadagiri. And we are sure